dy dx of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Integration of x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x1. Integration of 1 dx x plus c. Differentiation of kx k into x differentiation 1. Integration of k dx kx plus c. Differentiation of e power x e power x. Integration of e power x dx e power x plus c. Differentiation of a power x into log a. Integration of a power x dx a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Differentiation of tan x secant square x. Integration of secant square x dx tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x dx secant x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x dx minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx cosecant inverse x plus c. This is the basic formulas. Now by applying the substitution method, some trigonometric formulas I proved that. Integration of tan x dx log modulus of secant x plus c. Integration of cot x dx log modulus of sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx log modulus of secant x plus tan x. Integration of cosecant x dx log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Another some formulas. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. This meaning is numerator is differentiation of denominator. Then directly you can write log modulus of f of x plus c. Integration of sin ax dx. Sin integration minus cos ax. X coefficient a is there, that one denominator. Integration of cos of ax plus b dx. Cos integration sin of ax plus b as it is. X coefficient a, that one you can write. This one constant only. Same as usual, integration of e power ax plus d dx. E to the power of ax plus d is a constant. Same e to the power of ax plus b divided by x coefficient a plus. Next, if we can find out sin square x, integration of sin square dx. How to find out this one? Convert into cos 2a formula. Cos 2 theta in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We require sin square. Therefore, that is sin square theta equal 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. If you require integration of sin square x, then you can apply this formula. Similarly, integration of cos square d equal, then you can write that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Suppose if you require sin Sine cube. Integration of sine cube means first convert into a, this is a cubic one, convert into a perfect cube. Sorry, 3a form. That is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Sin 3a formula I can apply that. Same cos cube theta. That is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. These are proved in previous class. Okay, now already finished some problems in exercise 7.3. Continue that. Integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. It is not in a basic formula type. Here you can apply the cos 2 theta formula, cos 2x in terms of sine. What is that cos 2? Cos 2 theta in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This one you can apply here. 1 minus 2 sin square theta you can apply. Then that is cos 2x integration of 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Plus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x cancel. Integration of 1 by cos square x dx. 1 by cos is nothing but reciprocal of cos is secant. 1 by cos square x is secant. We know that integration of secant square x, this is a direct basic formula type. That formula is tan x plus c. Therefore, integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx, that is a tan x plus c. Once again, repeat, this is easy one. Here simply I apply that cos 2 theta formula in terms of sine. In terms of sine, cos 2x in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x. Plus 2 minus 2 sin square x cancel. What is that remaining? 1 by cos square x dx. 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square x dx. We know the direct formula, this is basic formula. Integration of secant square x dx tan x plus. Next, another problem. Integration of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Here also cos 2x is there, cos 2x formula. Totally 3-4 formulas is there. This is only in terms of sine. Another one only in terms of cos, 2 cos theta minus 1. But here cos and sin both is there. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos and sin you can write. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos and sin is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We can apply this formula here. Cos 2 theta equal in terms of cos and sin cos square theta minus sin square theta. In our convenience you can apply, suitable one you can apply that. Because in cos square minus sin square you can write that is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. This denominator term will get that one cancelled. First I will write cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x whole divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. After that, this is a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b. Cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. Here cos x plus sin x one term is there. Here 2 is there, one cancel and dx as it is. Then remaining one numerator cos x minus sin x In denominator 1 cos x plus sin x dx. Now observe that it is the numerator is differentiation of the denominator. We can apply the formula f dash of xy because this is f. This is f dash. Observe that sin differentiation cos x, cos differentiation minus x. That's why it is in that form of since integration of f dash of x by f of x dx log modulus of f of x. Simple formula this. You can apply the logical thinking. Numerator is differentiation of the denominator. Then directly you can apply the formula. Numerator. Here observe the numerator is cos x minus sin x. Denominator this. Differentiation of sin is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus x. Numerator is the differentiation of the denominator. That's why if we can numerator is the differentiation of denominator, then directly log modulus of f of x. Therefore it is log modulus of f of x is cos x plus sin x plus integration of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Once again repeat this. Now given one integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. This is the given problem. First cos 2x convert into in terms of cos and sin. We know the formula, basic identity formulas in first PUC. Cos square cos 2 theta formula, cos square theta minus sin square theta. You can apply that. Cos square x minus sin square x. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means cos x plus sin x into product of a minus b cos x minus sin x. Here numerator 1 cos x plus sin x, here 2 times product is there, 1 cancel. Remaining numerator integration of cos x minus sin x by denominator 1 cos x plus sin x. Here we can apply that formula. What is the formula? Numerator is a differentiation of the denominator. Sin differentiation, cos differentiation minus sin x. That's why you can apply the integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. If you can integration of f dash of x by f of x dx formula, log modulus of f of x. This is f dash, this is f. Therefore, log modulus of f of x plus. Next problem. Integration of 1 plus 1 minus sin cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. Here observe that in this problem it is not in a basic formula, or else we are not involved in any cos 2a, cos 2 theta formula, or not possible to apply the substitution method because we are not involved in any one function of the differentiation. Or else we are not apply the previous formula, integration of differentiation, integration of f dash of x by f of x. That means numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Not possible. Then how to find out this integration? By using some technique. What is that technique is? Here multiply and divided by with the 1 minus cos x. Here multiply and divided by with the 1 minus cos x. Then automatically it is integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Totally dx. Now 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x whole square. A into a form. A square. Denominator a 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. This is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square x dx. integration of this is you can split out by applying the a minus b whole square. What is that a minus b whole square? A square plus b square, that means cos square x, minus 2, a means 1, b means cos x, whole divided by 1 square means 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x directly in terms of that is sin square x. 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal sin square theta by using the identities. Now we can write this is 1 square means 1 minus cos square x is sin square x dx. Now split this 1 by sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x minus 2 cos x by sin square x dx. Integration of 1 by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x. Cos square by sin square x is nothing but cot square x minus 2 cos x by sin square x, I will write as sin x into sin x dx. Here integration of cot square is, we know the basic formula. Integration of cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x is what? Minus cot x. But the cot square we don't know. That's why this is converted in terms of cosecant square. Because by applying the identity. What is that? 1 cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to 1 cosecant square theta minus 1. Or else 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant. But we require cot square. This one converted in terms of cosecant square. Integration of cosecant square x as it is plus cot square, you can write cot square theta is cosecant square x minus 1 minus 2 into here cos x by sin x. 1 cos x by sin x, that is cot. 1 by sin is cosecant. That is nothing but cot x into cosecant x. Integration of cosecant square x. This cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1. This is minus 2 into cos by sin is cot x into cosecant x dx. This totally convert like that. Integration of cosecant square. How many times that is? 2 cosecant square x minus 1 minus 2 cot x into cosecant x dx. Now 2 into integration of cosecant square x dx minus 1 dx. 2 writing outside. Minus 2 into integration of cot x into cosecant x dx. 2 into cosecant square x, basic formula, minus cot x. 1 dx x minus 2 into integration of cosecant x into cot x, that is basic formula, minus cosecant x overall. Therefore this is minus 2 cot x minus x minus into minus plus 2 cosecant x. Yes, this is the integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Again I will repeat, listen. Now given problem is, this is integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now it is not in a basic formula type or not possible to apply the substitution method or another any method. So first we can simplify by using multiply and divide by with 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x is there in denominator. That's why 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Reason is, first if you can think, Here denominator 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, that is 1 minus cos square x, that is sin square. That means denominator term convert into single term. Then we can split out. In that purpose, I will multiply and divide by with the 1 minus cos x. Now 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x whole square. A plus b into a minus b square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square x, that is sin square x, because 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Now a minus b square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now 1 square, this one split out. 1 by sin square x plus cos square by sin square minus 2 cos x by sin square. 1 by sin square cosecant square. Cos by sin is cot square. Here sin square 2 times it is, that is sin x into sin. Cos by sin is cosecant, cot. 1 by sin is cosecant. Cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus e, basic formula. Integration of cot square we don't know. That's why this cot also converted in terms of cosecant square. By applying the identity, what is the formula? Cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Applying the formula, then cot square place is cosecant square x minus 1. Remaining term as it is. Cosecant square 2 times 2 cosecant square x minus 1, 2 cot x cosecant x dx. 2 writing outside, 2 into integration of cosecant square x dx, minus 1 dx, minus 2 writing outside, cot x into. This is basic formula. Integration of cosecant square x minus cot x, minus 1 dx x, minus 2 into cot x into cosecant x minus cosecant x. Minus 2 power cot x, minus x, minus into minus plus 2 cosecant x plus. Integration of cos 2x divided by, sorry, this is finished already, cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Same time, it is not in the form of a basic formula, or it's not possible to apply the substitution method. Here also multiply and divide by with 1 minus cos x. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x dx. Now multiply cos x into 1 minus cos x by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means what? A square minus b square. That means 1 square minus cos square x dx. Multiply cos x into 1 cos x. Cos x into cos x cos square x. 1 minus cos square x sin square x dx. Now split out integration of cos x by sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x dx. Integration of cos x by sin square x, cos x by sin square x I will write as sin x into sin x minus cos square by sin square x, that is cot square x dx. Now this one, sin by cos is what? Cot. 1 by sin is cosecant. Now this term become integration of cosecant x into cot x minus Cot square x direct we don't know. That's why this one converts into a cosecant. Previously, same procedure. Cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. You can apply this one. Then here minus is there, that's why bracket we can use. Cosecant square x minus 1 totally dx. Now split out. Integration of cosecant x into cot x dx minus integration of cosecant square x dx minus into minus plus integration of 1 dx. You can apply the formula. Integration of cosecant x into cot x side. While applying the integration formula, you can remove that symbol. Integration of cosecant x into cot x, that is minus cosecant x. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. 1 dx is x plus minus cosecant x plus cot x plus x plus. This is the integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Once again repeat that. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. It is not a basic formula type. That's why you can apply some new method. In that purpose, I will multiply and divide by with. Here denominator 1 plus cos x is there. 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Same time multiply and divide by cannot be changed that. Now cos x into 1 minus cos x. This is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Cos x into 1 cos x minus cos x into cos x cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. Now split out. Cos x by sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x. This sin square x you can write as sin x into sin x. Cos by sin is cot, 1 by sin is cosecant. Minus cos square by sin square is cot square. Now direct integration of cot square we don't know. That's why this converts into a cosecant square. Cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1. That's why cosecant square x minus 1. Cosecant x into cot x dx minus cosecant square x dx minus into minus plus 1 dx. We know this. This is the basic formula. Integration of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x minus integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x. Integration of 1 dx x minus cosecant x minus into minus plus cot x plus x. Integration of cos x minus sin x whole divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. It is also not possible to apply any basic formula or substitution. Okay. Here integration of cos x minus sin x whole divided by 1 I will write as cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x value is what? 1. Basic formula, this basic identity. This 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x plus sin 2x by applying the sin 2 theta. 2 sin x cos x. Here I applied two formulas. One means cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin 2x 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. These two formulas I applied. Dx. Integration integration of numerator cannot be changed, cos x minus sin x as it is. Denominator, observe that this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means sin x plus or else cos x plus sin x whole square dx. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square form. A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square by applying that formula. Next. Now observe that here apply the substitution. What is the substitution method when we can apply? If we can involving any function of the differentiation, then we can apply the substitution method. Here cos x differentiation minus sin x, sin x differentiation cos x. That's why let us assume cos x plus sin x as it. Then cos differentiation minus sin x, sin differentiation cos x, overall dx, that is equal to t. That means cos x minus sin x dx, this is dt. Then we can change that. Integration of, this is a totally dt, this is 1 by, this is a t square. 1 by t square, that is integration of t to the power of minus 2 dt. Here you can apply the integration of x power n dx. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That means t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. T to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Because minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. This is t inverse. T 1 by minus t inverse means t plus c. Minus 1 by, so this minus 0. T means, what is that t? Cos x plus sin x. Given problem is integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Numerator as it is. Denominator one place I apply the identity. In cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That's why cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Cos x minus sin. This is in the